Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Lexus RC 350. This Lexus is powered by rear-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 97,548 miles. Elevate your drive with this sleek 2016 Lexus RC 350. Experience luxury and performance in every mile. With low mileage and impeccable features, it's the perfect blend of style and reliability. Don't miss out, schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned RC 350 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Lexus RC 350 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, voice-activated climate control. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.